Without cutting any wires.
There's no cutting no wires.
That's crazy.
Bam, look at that.
Boom. Boom.
Okay.
Just like that. Funny. But these are the 4 little pressure. I'm gonna put it up. And I'm gonna just show y'all what it look like. I was gonna keep going. Keep going. Turn me up, dude. Hey, I was gonna keep going. I'm still swinging. Hey, go wider. He stuck on that ass. You talk about tall, I bet you die. We about to put stars all through here. I'm gonna try and put them, oh shoot, right here, you know what I'm saying, all through. We wanna put it right here too. She gotta pry all this out, this. We already did that one. I tried to push this jump back in. This all.
That's why you gotta put it down. Like this.
Oh, I just took it completely off.
I don't think you ever do all that.
It's just a before, y'all. Everything get off. Oh my God, got the Cardis in this jump. I'm bullshit. But yeah, man, when y'all got it's job like a little tough to get it off, but you know what I'm saying. Don't be scared. Just put some manhandle that jump. You get off. No funny. But these are the 4 little pressure. Oh, these are 4 little pressure points right here. You know what I'm saying? She gotta get her goddamn my knee, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, then you gotta disconnect that. It's a little squeeze, that's it. But yeah, next part. Alright, next you gotta pop the little covers off of these joints. I already did it. And you just, you know, just jump on the right way. Yeah, you just gotta ratchet. Yeah, heat. Oh, job. I'm looking through the camera, trying to put it up.
Disconnect that wire.
Okay.
I will not do it.
So this button? Is this a button? What is this?
Shit out.
This is where I just pulled the little coil out of. It's a little tab right here. You gotta play with that jump with a little screwdriver so don't get up under there. Just pull, she gonna come right up. What you doing over there?
Fool, this don't come out. What the fuck? Fucking Dodge.
Can't stand that ass, huh?
Fucking retards.
Man, get y'all a bucket, man, so y'all don't lose none of y'all pieces, man. So I got a little bucket, man. I got all the pieces for all the unclippings and all that. You know, still gotta do these and these, but you know what I'm saying? I lose stuff easy. So we ain't playing no games. Whew. Screwdriver right there. Put that together. It's coming along though. I'm zoomed in way too much stuff.
We need a T30.
T30 gonna get y'all.
No, it's not gonna get those. T30 ain't gonna get that. Listening to him. A T30 gonna get you the hand rails down, the old shits. That's gonna get them out the way.
So which one you using for this?
Shit, I don't fucking know.
So there's a line.
What did that nigga do? He twisted.
No, it's like a line like right here. He just gotta like push it in there. Shit.
Easy.
Yeah, probably like that, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. You upset.
Hey, bro, don't see them dumbass niggas in the YouTube video. Take that motherfucker and go like this. That bitch pop right out.
Alright, y'all. So if you got a sunroof, it's gonna have a couple Velcro patches on it and shit, man. You might have to just pull that joint. Just pull it. As you see, we got this joint on. Ah, shit. We saying these for lags because, you know, the little cord is a little tricky. That job probably got yanked on the wrong cord, but, you know. Once we figure out how we might get this out, I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, so when y'all get this joint down, it's gonna be a whole bunch of cords and all that. There's gonna be a release right here up at the top. You know what I'm saying? Right there. You gotta do that joint. Then there's gonna be another one. You gotta take this off. You gotta like wedge it up out of there. You ain't gotta take this piece off right here. Just swing it around, and you're gonna have another release. Right there. It's gonna be a little red tab. Squeeze that joint, hold it, and just pull. And she free to come out just like that. Alright, so we got the whole thing off. I got the sunroof off too. You know what I'm saying? Show you the whole thing. You don't think I'm bluffing. Put a line right here, put a line right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know, I'm gonna use that to arrange how many styles I want in this jump. And I don't really even know if we're supposed to be taking these off. I'm going to, because it's messing up my little diagram of how I'm about to put them in, you know what I'm saying? But I'm probably not gonna touch nothing up here. I don't know, I might put a couple styles up here around. I ain't gonna be doing too much because this was kind of hard to take off. We in the process of taking that one off too, but yeah, it's coming along. I don't know, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Tacked up, you know what I'm saying? I am too finished. I still got this little corner to do, you know. Sunroof's finished, tacked up. I'm probably gonna have some left over that I can, you know, go through the little gas, fill it in a little bit more. You know, I'm gonna drill holes in these because I don't want it to be a gap like it comes here and stops, and then it's just black right here. You know, if I'm going all the way to the sunroof like that, I want it to keep going. So I ain't got no drill, so I'm gonna drill them all. Drill through the plastic, stick the lights through there, and gonna wire it up. I'm gonna be done. She's coming along though. Alright, y'all. This is another update where I'm at. Almost done. Just gotta do these and finish up right here. Look like it should be good. No funnies. I'll show you what it look like under. You know what I'm saying? Got a little oh godly. A little something going on. Yeah. You know, I got a couple right here. My best advice is tape everything. Like, every, couple inches. Because these joints do not play. I'm telling you, it's taped again. It's taped again. Keep them taped up. And keep them away from each other. Because they will tangle up. And if they tangle up, you're going to spend a lot of time untangling them. Alright, we got the whole putting the light in the holes process done. It don't look too neat, but the neatest, I still gotta pull all these over and band all these big cords up back to one. But yeah, I got the sunroof. I did a little bit right here. Did some in the back, sides, all that. I'm about to show y'all right quick. Get that light for me. Ooh, shucks, nah. Shit look good, I ain't gonna lie to you. You can't really see all the lights because, you know, they dangling. You got something that's on the floor, but yeah, I got something right here. Something right there. She look good. Next, I gotta hot glue all these down. Well, you gotta pull all the strings down, hot glue it so they don't move. And from that point on, you good.
Okay. So let's say it's connected to the fuse box, right?
Okay.
And this should, if that lights up, it should light up. See? See that?
Wow.
And if it's connected to the light, the light bright comes on.
Which is this, y'all?
Is that what it is?
Yep. Just like that. There you go.
Bam!
Just
You
like
got
that.
it. You got it. That's
Without
it.
cutting any wires.
No cut no wires.
That's crazy.
Bam! Look at that.
Boom. Boom.
Okay.
Just like that. Alright, I'm just showing y'all my setup right quick before I put everything up. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to the back first. So, got me a little wire tap, fuse tap. Got one sitting in there. It's going through. I got it sitting up under here. You gotta take this out, that out. You know what I'm saying? Pull this up under. But if you look down there, got my power cord running through. And it's right back to where we started. It's gonna come through here. I got that joint sitting in a little pocket back there, you hear me? You know, and it's running through the cord and voila. You know, it look a little mess right now, but it's gonna look good when it's finished, but it's giving power and all that. It's working. I already got the sunroof in. You know, I cut a little bit of it because it was getting caught back here. You know, the rest of these is just the cords that run on top. It's giving these light, but you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all this slime, baby. It worked. We good. I'm gonna put it up, and I'm gonna just show y'all what it look like. Yeah, this the finished product right here. You know what I'm saying? How many stars is this? This is about like 650. Sunroof work. Hold on. This don't look right. We'll change the colors. We can go rose if we want to. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bright there. We're gonna leave it up for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I think this is my favorite one. No fun. I think this is it. What you think, bro?
Nah, this definitely it.
Damn, I ain't telling them. This look like it's gonna make it twinkle a little harder, faster, however you want it. You know what I'm saying? Nah, we just night riding and shit. You know, the stars. Not too crazy. That cut.
Am I supposed to be recording at 0.5 this whole time?
Good. I mean, I don't mind me.
I just had a
It
0.5.
look good. It look good. I don't know.
Yeah, it look good, but it's not. It's gonna throw it off because of the much of the color.
Let's do the regular. I'll spin around right here.
Somebody coming up with views, though.
No, I'm turning the trash on. Like, where's that coming from? You know what I'm saying?
That's definitely just you.
What is he breaking so hard for? I thought he saw something I didn't see.
Niggas is calling the police.
We're going home.
It's definitely calling the police.
He think he smoked the sky.
Nigga outran